That was a day, long day. Started quite early in the morning. Our goal was today to start and finish this ceiling. And yes, we succeeded. It's early summer evening, 9 o'clock around. Sun is still quite high and it's warm. Very hot today. More than 25 degrees Celsius. Had to go swimming once in a while. Otherwise it gets too hot here. No wind. But yes, the ceiling is done. It was quite fast concerning quite much bits and pieces, cutting here and there. But let's talk tomorrow more about the ceiling and the materials we chose. But now, yes, that's done. Quite nice feeling that ceiling is done here in the upper cabin and in the main helm. And the cables, all the cables that are coming through the ceiling, the cabin lights, the helm lights, also the solar panels up in the roof, and also we have a mast in the roof, and we have like driving lights, searchlight, horn, stuff like that. So all the cables are now run. And here we have a PVC trunking layer coming into this helm deck. But let's talk about details more later, maybe tomorrow. But now I just wanted to show you this ceiling is done. So the ceiling was finished and it looked very nice. And next day we came here and started to do flooring, but then it started to rain inside, and it rained ceiling tiles. So there was a bit mistake we made. We were assuming that this Sikapon T2 glue that we are using for the wall boards, the vinyl boards, it sticks very well into it, so obviously it will work for the ceiling tiles. And the ceiling tiles we are using this kind of 50 by 50 centimeter, 13 millimeter thick polystyrene ceiling tiles. So we didn't check before that this glue will stick into polystyrene, and of course it didn't. Well, that's a bit drawback. Now all the ceiling tiles are coming off and you can't even see the trace of a glue here, so it doesn't, after it dries, it doesn't stick at all. Well, that's a mistake I made. I should have tested before that this glue really sticks into it. Well, I was a bit in a hurry and too excited to get this finished, so that I skipped that part. Well, lesson learned. We have to be a bit more thorough and careful next time when we're using new materials we haven't used before. Well, that doesn't make us too sad. The weather is the most beautiful and it's very nice to work here. The summer is coming, so now it's two options. We either find a proper glue that will fit into polystyrene, or another option which we'll try first. We have some leftover primer. So we will first press some primer on the styrofoam to see how it reacts, whether it will stick into it, because we know that this glue for sure will stick into primer. So if that works, then we can move forward very fast. We have everything what we need here. Otherwise we have to go to the shop and find a proper glue. But yeah, as said, this doesn't make us too sad. We will just move forward.